Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the switch on your Thermomix TM31. This process is straightforward, but it requires some attention to detail. Let's gather the necessary tools first. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spanner set. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the mains. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the appliance is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, turn the device upside down to access the base. You will notice several screws securing the base cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the base cover removed, you will see the internal components of the Thermomix. Locate the switch assembly. It is typically situated near the power cord entry point. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the appliance. This will help maintain its performance and longevity. Now, using your spanner, carefully disconnect the wires attached to the switch. Make a note of where each wire connects, as this will be crucial when you install the new switch. If you find this process daunting, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have expert support if needed. Once the wires are disconnected, remove the screws holding the switch in place. Replace the old switch with the new one, ensuring it fits snugly into the designated slot. Reconnect the wires according to your earlier notes. It's essential to ensure that each connection is secure to prevent any electrical issues. After the switch is installed, it's time to reassemble the base cover. Align it carefully and replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened adequately, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Now turn the Thermomix back to its upright position. Before plugging it in, double-check that everything is secure and that no tools or loose parts are left inside. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your appliance serviced without any hassle. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM31 and test the new switch. If it operates smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the switch. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front without any surprises. Thank you for following this tutorial. With a little patience and the right tools, you can keep your Thermomix in excellent working condition. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.